Hi, my name is Siddharth Vadlamani from Harmony Schools. For my STEM experiment, I grew bacteria in Petri dishes and tested the effectiveness of antibacterial wipes on the bacteria. The scientific principle behind this experiment is binary fission because the bacteria colonies continued to grow over the 6-day period. The materials that you need for this experiment are a pair of gloves, 10 Petri dishes, 10 sterile swabs, and 1 packet of antibacterial wipes, nutrient agar solution, and 5 surfaces of your choice to test. The 5 surfaces that I tested were kitchen countertop, doorknob, light switch, toilet flush handle, and TV remote. I swabbed these surfaces twice, once before I wiped it with the antibacterial wipes and once after I wiped it with the antibacterial wipes. Now let me show you how to prepare a Petri dish for this experiment. First, you need to prepare the nutrient agar solution, which acts as a growth agent for the bacteria. Prepare the nutrient agar solution by adding hot water to the agar powder. Make sure that the powder dissolves completely. Now, pour the agar solution into the Petri dish. Make sure it fills up 3/4 of the way to the top. Now immediately close the dish to avoid contamination. Make sure you let the agar sit for 1 hour until it completely hardens. This is how the Petri dish will look once it is hardened. Now swab the surface that you want to test. Swab it for about 30 seconds. Now open the lid of your Petri dish and apply it gently onto the hardened agar in a zigzag pattern. Turn the Petri dish and constantly apply it in a zigzag pattern. Close the lid immediately to avoid contamination. Now swipe the same surface with the antibacterial and then collect the sample just as I did. Follow the same procedure to collect all the samples. Now set the Petri dishes aside in a place where the temperature is stable and where people will not be walking through it that much. And see what happens after 6 days. I kept a journal throughout my experiment and recorded all my observations in it. This was my ELA connection for my experiment. Now let's see my results. As you can see, many bacteria colonies have grown, but some haven't. Let's look at the ones with the antibacterial wipes. Some bacteria colonies have still grown, thus proving my hypothesis stating that antibacterial wipes are not always proven effective. Diseases caused by bacteria may sometimes be fatal. Demographers want to research these fatal diseases to find out why population continues to drop. This is my social studies connection for my experiment. Thank you for watching Harmony Schools.